Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to easily generate an AI powered music using Suno AI. It's insanely fun and super easy to use, so let's dive in. First, go ahead to Suno AI using your browser. You'll need to create a free account, and if you haven't yet, sign up using your email or Google account. And once logged in, you'll load in your dashboard. Click Create button to get started. Then here, enter your song idea. In the prompt box, enter a short description of the type of kind of music that you want for this example prompt here. You can also upload a custom lyrics if you have your own. Next, pick your preferred genre, mood, and language or if you're using a custom mode. The Sono AI can handle anything from pop and rock to classical, EDM, hip hop, and more. Then hit create. It gives you a few moments. Then the Suno AI will generate your track complete with vocals, instrumental, and mixing. It's seriously impressive how fast it works. And once your track is ready, you can play it, download it, or even share it on social media directly from the platform. You'll only get an options for instrumental only versions or AI generated cover art. And that's it. You've made your own AI generated music track in minutes. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.